Justin Childs with Northern Lines Railroad. And what we're doing today is we're putting some riprap on the east end of the bridge here. We have a little bit of a washout. And what we're trying to do is try to keep the sub-ballast in place so it doesn't go underneath the railroad tracks. So if we lose our dirt, we could lose part of the railroad track underneath it. So we're just trying to divert the water a little bit so it runs more down into the river than instead of cutting through my railroad bridge. Rockville Bridge is okay right now. It's high enough. Well, there's no scouring so far anyways, but we're just still taking precaution. This is our main concern right now, is this bridge here. They're predicting what we read today anyways was 8.4 or whatever. So our main concern is we don't want the water to hit the span of our bridge. Then we could be in trouble. We talked about putting loads on it, but nobody has loads to put it on. BNSF, they don't really want to do it, just in case something does happen, wash away on it. So sure, we're just doing a little bit of preemptive maintenance on it right now, just to hopefully hold the bridge.